We primarily see our work as helping our clients fulfill their calling from God. Our job as Christian lawyers is to help them find a pathway to fulfill that call.
We want them to know that we're with them and that they're more than just a client to us.
Mauck and Baker represents mostly churches and religious organizations, and we do just about everything that those kinds of organizations require.
The firm handles a variety of different matters, from religious land use cases to civil liberties cases to business transactional cases, estate planning, real estate. There's a whole host of ways that we help clients.
We got in trouble with zoning because they said we were not grandfathered in. We would have to apply for a special permit, okay, in order to keep the church there. And that's where the trouble started. We needed a lawyer to walk us through the zoning process.
We know that a lot of small churches and ministries just don't have a lot of money to fight City Hall. And we're in business to show them how to fight City Hall and how to use the laws to enable them to do that without busting the bank.
Well, recently we purchased a new property in the corner of 25th and Central here in Cicero. Basically, we were told that we weren't able to go forward with the plans that we had for this new property. We felt like the doors were closed. Mauck and Baker came into Cicero and opened the doors for all churches, basically, to have a good relationship with the town officials.
2 Corinthians 5 says we have been given this ministry of reconciliation. So that doesn't mean we shy away necessarily from conflict, but our goal is not to divide, it is not to destroy. Our goal is to bring reconciliation in the end in what we do.
We serve Christians and non-Christians. We don't care or discriminate.
We've represented mosques, we've represented churches, we've represented non-believers. We really look to take our skill set that God's given us and serve them in the best way we can.
I just had a call back from a woman in New York who had a traffic accident here in Chicago and needed representation. She called me back to thank me and said, "I have never prayed with an attorney before." It was so comforting to me in this situation.
Well, Rich looks like a very relaxed guy, but he's really a lion in disguise. He really fights for you. He's very passionate, but I love his very calm demeanor that he has.
John has become like a brother because he's always upbeat, he's always encouraging, and he always has a word from the Lord. Okay, I pastor churches, and when I call him, he pastors me.